Hi friends, so this is the insulated 3-tier lunchbox with stainless steel interior. So this lunchbox actually I bought it for my kid. You can see it has silicone air vent for stream release, and silicone ring provides complete leak proof and durable stainless steel interior and superior PU foam insulation. So let me open this so this is the box. Just 3-tier. Let me open it. You can see this is a silicone air vent for stream release, and here you can see silicone ring, so it will give complete leak proof. This is a silicone ring. See, this is silicone air vent for stream release, and this is stainless steel interior. This part also we can remove. Oh yes, show the back side. So you can use actually like this. So if you don't want complete 3-tier, you can use one like this. You can use it. See, you can use it like this. Yes, it's pretty good, right? It's very nice. Or even you can use a single like this. You can use it. Yes, you can use it like this. Or we can use it like this. These two. This is another option, and you can use it like this, or just remove the last one and use only these two. Use only these two. This way also you can use. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. You have to tighten this top part. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So now I have lunchbox and water bottle.